Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you honey mustard chicken drumstick and leg quarters. It's very delicious and very tasty, and without wasting any time, let's start with the ingredients. I have a 10 pound of chicken, 6 pounds leg quarters, 4 pounds drumstick. I took the skin out, I washed it with cold water, pat it dry. Honey, quarter cup, yellow mustard, quarter cup lemon juice, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, red chili powder, black pepper, 2 teaspoons each, ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, ground ginger, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, dry cilantro, 2 teaspoons, which is dhania. This is strictly optional. I'm using color. It's a red orange color, half teaspoon. Get a big mixing bowl and I'm going to bring all the spices in pot. Lemon juice, too sour, then add less. And this is the honey. Mustard. And now we're going to mix it well. Once our spices are nicely made, I'm going to bring the food color. So once our masala is nicely incorporated, I'll get the chicken drumstick. I'll make a cut. 1 cut on this side, 1 cut on this side, just like this. The whole reason we're going to make a cut, once the masala going to get inside, it will taste better. The leg quarters, I'm going to make 1 cut, 2 cut, 1 cut on this side, then we're going to turn it over. We're going to make a cut on this side and 1 straight. I'll finish up the rest. We're going to mix all the masala with our chicken. So once all the masala is nicely incorporated, we're going to let our chicken rest on a countertop for half an hour. We have our chicken marinated for half an hour. Now I'm going to bring the tray and we're going to place our chicken on a tray. So our tray is ready. Now we're going to take this one to oven. Our oven is preheated at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, the water is boiling. Be careful when we're going to open it. I'm going to open it and place the tray on top of it. So we're going to place it on the back. Put it up here and then close it. Right now the time is 10:42. And we're going to cook it for half an hour. 11, 12, 30 minutes of cooking our chicken. Now I'm going to open it. Turn the chicken over real quick. Be careful, it's really hot. When we're going to open it, look at this. I'm only going to turn the leg quarters. Don't burn yourself. Wear safety gloves or you can pull the tray out. But if you know what you're doing, then you're okay. So this is looking good. Look at how beautiful it's looking. So now it's 11:13 and we're going to cook additional 10 minutes. So at 11:22, we're going to turn off the oven. 11:22. Another 10 minutes of cooking. I'm going to turn off the oven. As you can see, the chicken, all the leg quarters, all the drumsticks are nicely cooked. I'll let the chicken rest for 5 minutes and then I'll take it out. Chicken has been resting for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. Be careful when you open it, it's still hot. Wow. And look at this. Chicken is nicely cooked. If you see, our water is still there. All the fat has been drained into the pot. And we have healthy chicken. Wow! Our delicious honey mustard chicken drumsticks and leg quarters is all ready. It's very tasty and it's a super moist and super juicy. Please try it and let me know how you like this recipe. Please comment below and I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you. Bye-bye.